Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a new and latest innovation. It's a UV lamp with the ozone USB rechargeable, and it is a portable ultraviolet light for home and travel. It will kill 99.9% of germs or virus, and then there's no residue and easy to carry around. It allows you to sterilize up to 30 minutes, and it is a high efficiency, 360-degree comprehensive clean. It will remove a stinky odor. It is great for a kitchen, linen closet, shoes closet, bathroom, restroom, refrigerator, drawers, even remove pet odors. And also it's great for disinfecting your car and also your stinky laundry room. The size is 2.2 inch by 2.2 inch by the height is 4.9 inch. It's a mini travel size. So the units are fully charged in 1.5 hours and then allow you to use it up to 2 to 3 cycles. And then the premium quartz glass lamp tube with a lifespan of 30,000 hours and 1,000 milliamp high capacity battery equipped. They also offer 30 days money back guarantee and then 12-month free replacement warranty. Let me give the specification real quick. Rated voltage is 3.7 volt. Charging voltage is 5 volt. Power is 3.8 watts. Battery is 1000 milliamp. The size is 2.2 by 2.2 by 4.9 inch. Charging time is 1.5 hours. Working time is 2 to 3 cycles per charge. Working methods are ultraviolet light and ozone. The lamp color is white. It comes with the lamp body, one rechargeable cable, and then one user's manual. So there's a UVC exposure warning. Do not look or touch the lamp without turning the unit off. And then please leave while the lamp is working. So in order to turn it on, you're going to press and hold the switch for 3 seconds. The lamp will be on after a delay of 28 seconds. The blue LED indicator will flash during the 28-second countdown, which reminds people, plants, animals, pets to leave before the lamp is on. So if you need to turn off, the lamp will be off automatically after 30 minutes. You can also press the switch to turn off the lamp manually. The lamp is powered by a rechargeable battery, which is already installed and can be charged by a regular phone charger. During the charging state, the indicator is red and it will turn green when it's fully charged. Approximately 90 minutes required for the battery to be fully charged. And so let's go ahead and then unbox this and then show you guys what does the unit look like. So I'm going to give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It's a UV disinfection lamp and the application: bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, cabinets, wardrobe, lobby, cars, and then etc. And then this is made in China. It's a new product. There's a quality control sticker right here. It is sealed. Here's the specification that I just went over. So let's go and then cut out the sticker and then open this up. It's a nice hard cover. It's almost like an iPhone cover. Then here's your product user manual. And on the back is a warranty card. So this is a USB charging cable. It's a protective foam. Wow. So there's your ultraviolet glass tube. Gotta be careful, it's gonna break. And it is in a white color. There's your on and off button right here, and then there's your LED indicator. Use your charging port right here. Make sure you're gonna connect to because there's a wider side and then a narrow side. So the wider side goes on top. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna turn it on for there's a delay for 28 seconds and I'll be back. Then you guys gonna witness hopefully it will sterilize this room. Let's go and then turn this on. And I have 28 seconds to get out of this room. There you go, it's start flashing. That means I have 28 seconds. So I'll be back. Alright, so it is finally finished. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.